Let's solve this problem together. We have the square root of x root x all over the square root of x root x to be equal to square root of 5 root 5. Now for us to begin, let's square both sides. When we square both sides, let's recall that when I have a over b all squared, this is equal to a squared all over b squared. So we have square root of x root x all squared all over square root of x root x all squared to be equal to square root of 5 root 5 all squared. So from here, this cancel out this, we are left with x times root x all over this will cancel out. We have x root x to be equal to, when this cancel out, we have 5 root x. So from here, x here will cancel this x. We are left with the square root of x root x all over root x to be equal to 5 root x. So we'll further square both sides to have the square root of x root x all squared all over root x all squared to be equal to, we have 5 to the power of 2 times root x. Okay, this is root 5 all squared. So when we resolve this, we cancel out here to have x times root x all over x to be equal to, we have 5 to the power of 2 times 5. So this cancel out this, we are left with square root of x to be equal to 5 to the power of 2 times our 5 here is to the power of 1. So when we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we have the square root of x to be equal to 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. So root x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. So when we square both sides, we have that x is equal to 5 to the power of, we have 3 times 2, which is 6. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.